5 timeless laws of acquiring gold. Let's get it. The very first one here states that you need to save about 10% of your income in order for you to start acquiring gold. The second one states that your money will work harder than you, just like when the sheep in the field reproduce and make more kids for the owner. Your money will work and create dividend and interest for you, the owner. The third one states that your money will stay with you as long as you invest it in things that you know. If you don't know it, you have to invest it with people that know what they're doing. So know what you're doing before you invest your money. The fourth one again basically is saying the same thing. Your money will run away from you. Gold will slip it away from your hand if you invest it in things that you don't know, unprofitable things. The fifth one, your money will run away from you if you force it to impossible earnings. So be realistic with what you invest in. All thanks to the richest man in Babylon, Judge Clason. Read the book.